Hello Internet, I am Ethan, and this here is my robot that helps me practice the guitar by electrocuting me. We all have a massive desire in life to acquire new skill sets, basically so we can show off our mad skills and attract the females. And I can tell you with 100% certainty that magic tricks work great on women as a contraceptive. Now, despite my rugged homeless man looks, I've actually accomplished a couple of big skill sets in life. Both of incredible value. I don't know which is better, I'll let you decide. First one is my physics degree, and the second one is my shark level swimming certificate, which basically means I no longer drown in water. Now, I love music, and I would love to become an amazing guitar player, and not so secretly a rock star. Talented, rich, with my inevitable drug overdose staring me right in the face. But mastering a skill set is a long, hard process that takes years and years of dedication to accomplish. Unless, of course, you are a small Chinese child. 10,000 hours to master a skill set. 10,000 hours. Those kids have not even been alive for 10,000 hours. How have they mastered this? It's unfair. Like they can't even spell the word piano, yet Rachmaninoff is child's play to them. Often, I find that I quickly lose motivation when trying to practice, or what I like to call constantly failing alone time. So to keep me focused and encourage rapid improvement, I've made this robot here that electrocutes me when I play the wrong note to whip me into shape. So I programmed the robot in Python, and there's a microphone inside of it, and using the fast Fourier transform, which is this part of the code here, it detects what frequency is being played and matches that frequency to the correct note in the song. Programming is just a list of commands that tells your computer what to do, and now that sounds like it should be fairly simple, but in actual fact it's much more like trying to tell a 3-year-old to eat their vegetables. No matter what you try, no matter what you say, it always ends up with you banging your head against the wall screaming, "Why don't you just do what I tell you?" If I play a wrong note, the robot here, which is controlled by this Arduino on the side, swings out its arm using the servo motor, and the taser on the end electrocutes me, thereby giving me instant negative feedback, forcing me to play the correct note next time. Kind of like a robotic Simon Cowell from the X Factor, except for instead of a buzzer of shame, it has a taser of pain. I must complete the entire part without making a mistake to not get shocked. So we're going to start simple. This first song everybody learns, Smoke on the Water by Deep Purple. Here we go.
Well done. Here come the test results. You are a horrible person. That's what it says, a horrible person. We weren't even testing for that.
Okay, so we're going to try for something a bit harder. Bit of Jimmy here, bit of Jimmy. Here we go. Look
at you gloriously shredding those notes. Like a hippo trying to do ballet.
So just to make it a bit more difficult, I'm going to use a blindfold. I'm going to play some Guns N' Roses. Here we go. Definitely won't pass this time. Oh,
have you tried just being better? Maybe you're not really cut out for this. Has anyone ever told you you were a good guitarist? Well, they lied.
Right, so that may have been a bit too difficult with this blindfold here, so we'll get rid of that and try it again the normal way. Okay, here we go.
You are destined to do great things.
Ow, 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 ow.
Good job. You must be listening to me.
Yes.
But you know, you don't actually have to go that slowly. Now use those whale of a fingers to smash the keys to the next song and we'll continue the torture. Practice. Practice. I meant practice.
Doesn't just work on the guitar. How about the tin whistle?
Maybe you should try aiming a little lower. Seriously, let's lower the bar.
How about the ocarina?
Who plays this song? Let's keep it that way.
Right, so clearly the lesson here is, parents, it is time for you to start tasering your children. Do not let the Chinese children win. If you actually want to learn a new skill set pretty quickly, there is a couple of videos I'd recommend. Link them below. The first is a TED Talk by Josh Kaufman. He talks about how to learn almost anything in 20 hours. The second is a video by Tim Ferriss where he discusses how to master any skill set relatively quickly. So if you've enjoyed watching robots inflict pain upon myself and my terrible jokes, you know what to do. Subscribe. More videos coming soon. Stay tuned.
Also, even trying? You know, you could put a little effort in.